What's up guys, Adam Steele here, Warehouse Gym. On the tutorials of the War Machines, we have the Howitzer, the isolateral hip press with the car seat variation, gonna be super sweet, and the angled foot pad. So Melanie's gonna help me right now, gonna load into the machine. She's gonna show you how you can easily slide and adjust the seat for height, and show us a couple variations on how to target different parts of your legs with this awesome isolateral hip press. If you would please. Very simple to adjust the back, depending on where you want it to be. Just like you would a car seat, it slides forward depending on your height and desired, length with depth, leg length, and all those things. So you can get a perfect setup. Now with her height being under 5'5", things like that, she can get a real up nice and close and lock into place. And then go ahead, let's show a standard squat position. Okay, so as you can see, she's going right in the middle of each platform. And as you can see here, the balls, or toes and balls of her feet are on the angle with their heels and flat arch on the flat position. Coming for a very neutral position setup, and then you can see that going now. So with a very neutral position, she's able to push off and simply unlock the handles, allowing him to travel free. Perfect squat position here. And what I like to look for when I'm working on this is the dynamic of not only can you do one leg at a time, but also not only the dynamic of being able to do one leg at a time, but also the ability to concentrate and try to keep each one even together while they are absolutely free floating. Makes it for a nice challenge. One thing I like to make note of is, as you can see when she comes down, and for your good form here, something to look for is how perfectly symmetrical the dynamic of the knee in line with the heel and the ankle as well as the hip for a very neutral squat position. Excellent. Perfect. Thank you. That is a neutral, standard, basic squat position for the leg press. Now, for the second variation, what I'd like her to show you is she's gonna raise her feet up just a little bit to the angled platform and a little bit more to the inside so you can actually feel and hit more of the glute and ham target. Go ahead. As you can see here, she's able to activate one leg at a time while keep the other one down, locked, or in position. Super great for being able to utilize the isolaterals parts of this hip press. Good. Ready? Been able to lock in and transition right to the other side. Third variation, what I like to do is if you would like to go narrow again and the feet all the way to the lower part so we can really get more of a sissy squat quad dominant activation. Changing the angle of where the foot and ankle are placed on the platform, creating more angle as well with the knees and hips, giving you a much different target. Perfect. Good range of motion, very comfortable, and through. Excellent. Make sure to load into this bad boy, the Howitzer isolateral hip press here of the War Machines, and give it all positions a try. Let us know in the comments below what you think on your next leg day, and check them out. Thank you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you at the Warehouse.